Hello, this is Amanda with From Where I Stamp near Kingston, Ontario, and we are going to make a Christmas card because I still need a few. Never fails, I don't make enough. What about you? Do you send Christmas cards or holiday cards? And my video is freezing again today, so I apologize. This is the Festive foil 12 by 12 paper. And you can see that we have gold, cherry cobbler, and I believe this is soft succulent. Yep, soft succulent. And so it has like two tones. So it's red on red, green on green, gold on gold. So we're going to use some of the red with the snowflakes. But first up, we have the Spruced Up stamp set. It's a photopolymer set. And we're going to use the trees, the stamp on there. And I'm going to show you an alternative to maybe if you don't have the designer paper and you want to recreate this card. I have an idea for you. These ones are extra sticky because I haven't used them before. Now this set is retiring, so it is something that if you're wanting to purchase this stamp set, you'll want to place your order probably sooner rather than later because they will retire on January 4th, but they are while supplies last. So I do have a list in the description of this video for you with links to my online store, so that way you can go and purchase that. So we are going to take this piece of cardstock and we're going to stamp a tree here. There's one tree, and then we're going to clean it on my Simply Chamois. And then we're going to use some soft succulent, which is the same color as this cardstock we're stamping on. And we're just going to stamp right beside it like so and clean this stamp up. Put these ink pads away. All right, so then we have our piece ready to go. You could add some little snowflakes if you wanted. You can like add some heat embossing with some gold if you wanted on there, but I'm going to leave mine just like that. So an easy, simple card that it's done really, really quick. Now the next part is going to be our sentiments. I do have some cherry cobbler ink. So let me open it. And I think this May It Be Yours will fit. It does. Need a different block. Here we go. That's why I have multiple blocks. Okay. Try and get that kind of in the center. There we go. And then, of course, clean off your stamp. The reds will stain. You can see that's stained just a little bit, but that's not a problem. So we have our two stamped pieces. So if you wanted to have a better look at the stamp set, there it is there. And I believe there's coordinating dies, but I'm not sure if they're still available. And then the Festive Foils 12 by 12 Specialty Designer Series paper. And then this card sketch that I'm putting together is one of the 3 that I have available for free when you sign up for my email list. So that link will be in the description as well. And sign up and you'll receive the 3 card sketches. And this is one of them. This is the one that's tucked off on the left-hand side. All right. Okay, so I had an idea that if you didn't have the Festive foils or any designer paper, that you could make this even simpler by stamping with the snowflake with cherry cobbler and just stamp all over the place. Now, if you do have the Festive foils, I cut mine to 5.5 to 4 1/4 to cover the whole card, because you could use a very vanilla base, a thick, very vanilla base. But I decided to do real red, or cherry cobbler to match the color. But if you wanted to get more cards out of one 12 by 12 sheet, then you'd need to, instead of cutting it 4 1/4, you need to cut it to 4 inches, and then you'd have a little bit of an edge. So then using cherry cobbler would be a good idea. So then you have that same color or similar color all the way around the edge of your designer paper. And then I think you get like 6 cards out of one sheet of paper. Okay, so we're going to put this here. And then we're going to take our cherry cobbler stamped sentiment and put some little dimensionals, mini dimensionals on there. We have 2 sizes of dimensionals, and the minis are my preferred. Okay, and then we just plop that right there. And we are going to add some, what are they called? Fine Sparkle Adhesive Back Gems to our project. And these coordinate with the Storybook Gnomes Designer Series paper, but the red is really sparkly, and I kind of like that. So I'm just going to put 3 on there randomly. So there's our card. Nice, quick, and easy. So as a reminder, it's one of my cards that you can get for free by signing up for my email list. And the sketches are there with dimensions for you. And if you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.